morning.
Morning.
Cheers.
I
love you.
Good morning, everyone.
Cheers.
Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, November 1st, 2025. It is the third Burr month already. Golly. We're halfway through the Burr months.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. Tomorrow.
Hey, I would like to share this information with you.
Tonight when you go to bed, put your clock back an hour and you will relive history.
Unless you're in most of Arizona and then you just kind of sit there and go,
you idiots.
At everyone else.
Yeah, you idiots. Changing clocks. Oh, so go back to standard time tomorrow.
Yeah, somebody told me that, yeah, clocks go back on Sunday morning. I don't even remember where I bought mine.
Me neither.
I wouldn't know where to take it.
Oh, no. It's not take your clock back.
Whoa, we got a wild one.
Uh-oh. Of course.
Let's get these out of here.
All right. Oh, goodness. Going back in time, a couple Saturdays, I said something about a meal that I received that was not what the menu described.
And then we forgot to talk about it again.
Yeah, we forgot to tell you about it last week.
Got lots of comments. People wanted to know. What was it?
So it was a French toast, okay? It had a filling.
Ooh la la.
So they mentioned that. It sounded delicious. It had a special kind of sauce that came with it. It was like a tiramisu sauce, and I said, please put that on the side. So it comes, and there's strawberry sauce drizzled all over it. I mean, it was soaked with this stuff. No mention of strawberries whatsoever.
It was pretty.
A lot of people are allergic to strawberries. And it had black olives. I even looked it up trying to figure out what the significance is of putting black olives in your sweet French toast. It had half of it like stuck in the outside and then one in the middle inside of it. And it was just weird. And I was not happy at all. My mom ended up eating mine and I ate her pancakes.
Her mom was like a hungry dog. Man, it disappeared. You set it down in front of her.
She likes all that syrupy, sweet strawberry stuff. I don't like a lot of sauces on my food. I don't like it soggy. So I was very upset, and I commented about it. I said, you might want to let people know that there's strawberries. A lot of people are allergic to strawberries. And that would not be good. They'd get their food and go, I can't eat this. So food would be wasted.
Now you know.
Now you know. That was what it was. Okay. We're talking about now. Now. So last Saturday after we chatted with you, we had a very, very windy day. And the next day was even worse. And it had rain.
That was at Washoe Lake State Park.
Now Washoe Lake, or Washoe Valley, is known for the winds. They come whipping down that mountain and right in over the lake, and there's always bad winds. They even have alternate routes for high-profile vehicles to go different ways because you can't go through the valley. They get tipped over. So we're, of course, in a high-profile vehicle. We weren't moving, but the trailer was definitely moving. I was getting seasick because it was a couple of days of blowing wind. Mm-hmm. And we just packed up for travel day. Thank goodness we had changed our schedule. We were planned to leave on that Sunday, but Tom, being the weather checker that he is, said, we need to extend today. And luckily, we still had one more day we could reserve there. It is a 7-day limit. So adding that Sunday gave us our 7th day. So Monday morning, we got up, and it was a gorgeous travel day. And we headed to Yerington for one night. Just stayed there. We just kind of relaxed after everything, and I only did a partial setup, only what we needed for one night. And then we left the next morning on Tuesday, and we headed from Yerington. Our original plan was to just stop in Mina. It's a little wide spot in the road.
They got a nice little lunch restaurant there.
Yeah. And so we got some Mexican food for our lunch, and we had thought about staying there, but when we kind of drove around to a couple places, and we just weren't real happy with it.
No.
After we ate lunch, we were feeling okay. Tom was like,
let's go. Let's go to Tonopah. We'll stop at the Loves and buy fuel and keep going.
Yeah, and see, we thought about, well, maybe we'll stay in Tonopah overnight.
But we weren't really thinking about it. We just mentioned
it. Yeah,
I
it
hadn't really planned on staying there. I wanted to stay here.
Yeah, where we are now, in Gemfield.
This is all BLM land out here.
It's just north of Goldfield.
Wide open spaces.
Yeah,
and
we love this spot.
We love it.
Beautiful. It's quiet.
Oh, so quiet. It's quiet. Listen. You hear that? Neither do we.
Yeah, it's so nice. It's far enough back away from the highway. We can see the highway, but you can't really hear it.
No.
Oh gosh, it's just been so nice. The other night, the only thing I heard was the burro. There was just a little bit.
And we decided to stay here 1, 2, 3 nights total.
4 nights.
4 nights total.
Yeah,
before we head south again. So we just kept adding nights, and
we've added 2 nights, I think, to it. So we just have loved it here.
Yep.
I've been working on
Christmas cards.
Yeah, I've been
and
doing
Christmas cookies.
Christmas cookies. Yeah, I made cookies for early Christmas. We wanted cookies, so I made some cookies. So we're working on Christmas cards. You've been having fun doing your videos and music and all that kind of thing. And then you went around and tightened all the screws on the rig. You do that once a month. Most of the time, you've got it scheduled for the beginning of the month, but that doesn't always work out with our schedules. So.
Did it a few days early.
Yeah. So last night we watched It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown.
Yeah.
Because I'm still a kid, so gotta watch that. we have the whole collection of the holiday series of the Charlie Brown Peanuts gang.
Then yesterday you did a few more cards. We packed up for
our travel day that's coming right after we talk to you guys. So we'll get them moving, but we're not going far, so we figured we can do our video, you can process it, get it going, and then we can get to our next destination because it's not far.
Nope.
So last Wednesday's video was Our Journey South Has Begun, and we're talking about Lori was talking about sagebrush and how pretty and nice it smells.
Weedy.
Check it out. We want to thank Karen D.
Oh, yeah.
For your super chat. Thank you so much. That was such a wonderful surprise.
Yes, it was, Karen.
Thank you. Thank you for watching, most of all.
Yeah.
And then this coming What Up Wednesday?
Well, we've got a special. This is going to be a world premiere special presentation. It's another music video that I put together. I wrote the lyrics to this one, changed them around a half a dozen different times. We've got some music. I actually went in and kind of rearranged the music on this one a little bit. So it's going to debut at 2 p.m. Pacific time. No, it's 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Yes.
This Wednesday. You don't want to miss it. I mean, this is a really
one of a kind.
It's a treat. It is a Tom and Lori original.
We hope that you guys enjoy
music
it as much
video.
As we do. So
I know we've had a couple of them, but this one I'm kind of proud of.
Yeah, they've just been fun, and it gives you some glimpses of stuff we've done, places we've been, and some back history and all that kind of fun stuff. So.
2 o'clock. Okay, so the question of the week.
Question of the week.
Last week.
How many streaming services do you have, and what are they?
I was surprised at some of the responses we got. A lot of folks only said 1 or 2. Some of them are Netflix, some of them are Prime, some of them are Hulu and Paramount and Disney and just all kinds of stuff. One person said they had 7 different.
Oh my gosh, there's 7 different
and
kinds.
They were paying over $150 a month for these streaming services, which was equal to what their cable bill was. And I'm like, oh!
They must like to watch a lot of TV.
We have two. We have Prime and Netflix. That's it. And then we do all the other free ones that we can find, like Roku TV, you know, just freebie, something like that. Anything that's free, it's for me. All right?
Yep.
All right. You ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Question of the week.
So here it is. If you could uninvent one thing, what would it be? Ooh.
I know what mine is right off the bat. I know what mine is.
It doesn't matter what it is. If you could uninvent one thing, what would it be? Let us know in the comments. We'll let you know ours next week, and then we'll review some of the answers for next week, too.
Yes. I know what mine is right off the bat.
Mine's kind of,
Yeah.
it's kind of like a 6 or 7. You don't know.
Our grandson Max will get a kick out of that if he ever watches us anymore. We want to remind you guys that we are an Amazon affiliate, and if you order anything from Amazon, we would appreciate that so much. We get like a little teeny tiny commission, and it doesn't cost you anything. You just have to follow our link that's below to get into Amazon, and then you can go look for whatever items you desire.
And with the holidays coming up, it's a good time to shop on Amazon because you know you're going to.
Yep, exactly. You don't have to go fight people in the stores.
How about this hat? How about this hat?
Yes, you can get this hat from bonfire.com.
Yep, we got all kinds of goodies
all kinds
up
of
there.
merch there. We love our Boondockers Welcome. We're headed there in just a few days.
Yep.
And
Got
we
another one.
love them. So we are also have a link for you below for Boondockers Welcome, Harvest Hosts.
And we'll show you around the Boondockers Welcome when we get there, some of the land around it and things like that.
Yep.
And elaborate
One
a
of
little
our
more
favorite
of it.
places to go.
Yep.
We also have a Passport America code for you, and you get a little something, we get a little something. That's another membership program that we do support and love because it's saved us so much money over the past 10 years.
But the most important thing to remember, we're sharing information with you.
Put your clock back 1 hour, you get an extra hour of weekend. Yay! Okay, everybody, you have a fantastic week, and we will see ya.
Take your banner and raise it.